Hello, welcome back to Galactic Goddess TV. I am here with Queen Helen Abdurrajak, and it's been so long, Queen. Hello, welcome.
Thank you, Princess Radha. I am so honored again to be back to your beloved TV station, you as my beloved princess, and the intergalactic group. And this is it. They tried to belittle our mission of giving them the warning in the past. But now here we are. We are trying to reiterate again that there is the power beyond their hands
Mm,
that they cannot control.
yes, it's been such a energetic battle of sorts, but I really want to speak to how the hands of the divine are coming through, how the hands of the divine are helping. And so you have to update us with what's been happening in your world.
Since the time that I went out, I really told them in 2009
Mhm.
that my mission will have to recover the beings that belongs to him.
Mhm.
The creator himself made this physical body, the brain, the heart, the soul as his mouthpiece in this era we're in. Media, print ads, newspaper, all the people patronize the bad things. They support when they knew that that person is already evil, yet they support because this is the saying, birds of the same feather flocks together.
Right.
In principle, if you are with God, you will have to stand to defend what is right and have really to do something against the wrongdoings of all those people that are committing the heinous crime in this global earth. So I have nothing really to explain more. But this time I stand in the name of the divinity wherein in 2021, 2021, even in 2009, I have already declared the divine rule.
Wow. And so through this, this whole struggle that's been going on, the battle in a way, it's really been kind of the light in the dark. And those that have been having the reign of power, it's really been the dark forces. And so, we're at the end of the Kali Yuga now, which means we're moving into a new sector where it's really important to hand over the reins because that's part of like the deal, part of these ages. We have different ages of darkness and then of light. And yeah, could you please share how that's manifesting with the work that you're doing?
Since 2010, and really the official passage that I have done, and that was in August 26, 2010, wherein I have documented my job. So all of this, the Facebook became my passage, but now it is being distorted. It is being used by the dark forces. Now, if I mention their names, we know that this group, they knew also. In fact, what they say is like this: we will believe on you if you have the money. We will believe on you if you have the palace. We will believe on you when you have all the cars. So that means these people are solely materialistic in nature, and that they were able to govern in their thinking that to become wealthy is you have the good houses, you have all the palaces, you have all the ammunitions, the bodyguards, all of this. And that's what they see. power. They didn't realize that there is the power beyond their control, and that is the power of the Creator Himself. The manifestation now are very clear. Floods, tornado, wildfire, the bushfire, and what you call that you can just spread. And now, the earthquake, because there is already the movement of undersea eruption. That's one thing they should realize, that land is only a minimal parcel of the global earth. What is the huge part of the earth is water,
Right.
the ocean.
Mm-hmm.
So there are also volcanoes in there, and that belongs to the underworld.
Mm-hmm.
That's why the Lemurians, when we have all these things talk about, they laughed at me, they humiliated me, they attacked me, and they even paid bloggers. Now it is being exposed that there is a power that brought them even to China, guide them how to do all this, because they want the former president to be up again. When they knew that this is the battle of right and wrong, so they have to attack me and accuse me as a scammer, when they have to realize that all the money they used belongs to the royalty, belongs to the royal family. So for how many years now? Since 2009, now 2025, I have sent a lot of leaders. I have given them authorities. I have given them documentations, and then they used it against me. They used all my documents, just changed the letterhead, just changed the verbiage, and now they submit it to the banks. They submit it to the major agencies. Unknown to them,
Mm-hmm.
I am already in there.
Wow.
So therefore, they are still naive. They accuse me that I am naive, stupid like that. They didn't know that I have to play stupid and fool to be able to catch them.
Mm-hmm.
That is the reality. Now, what happened now? Because the earthquake is not anymore an ordinary shaking, an ordinary tremor. It is already up and up, up, up until finally the water will just blow up and they will be just eaten by the soil.
Mm-hmm.
That is now the worst punishment coming from the Creator. Now they say, I am always crazy. They say I am a scammer. They say, because I used the most legitimate pattern how to catch them. So I used
Mm-hmm.
the money of the poor
Mm-hmm.
through their investment to me, so that when I fight to the highest world court, I have the listing of the majority of all those people who helped me to battle against them. They thought that being a president, being in the government, being the congressman, being the senators, being in the Supreme Court, they have power, nothing comparative to the power of the Creator, the divine Creator.
Mm.
So they have forgotten that.
Right.
They have forgotten that. That is why I told them, you people that I have given you authority, you have to think otherwise. It will cost your life,
Mm-hmm.
because I have proper attestation. I have proper documentation that I have given you. And now I have to revert back to you. Have you done this authority? How you have done this? This is divine accountability.
Mm.
Responsibility is always coupled by accountability. That's the one that they have failed to see. They thought they can maneuver, they can dictate, they can control.
Mm.
No, because there is an eye.
Mm.
There is one that is watching, and there are elders that are trying to guide me from the day I was born.
Mm. That's beautiful. And it's true. It's true. I think that these cabals, they get so used to the ways that they bully. They get used to the manipulation. They don't understand the power of the divine. So they're to them it doesn't exist in their reality. So it's very foreign to them and that they've never had to be accountable. And I think that's where we are in history is where everything's being squared up right now. The spotlight is on everything, and the creator is very much involved in everything that's going on right now. Yeah,
Yes.
to bring justice.
All the superpowers, they were being given accountability. As superpowers, they were given authority from the royal family. And who are those royal family? To name them,
Mhm,
it is the royal empire of Lupasug,
mhm,
which they have covered. But when I have already restored the Lupasug, now they are using Lupasug. All of this political
mhm,
government, all of these claimants, all of these people
mhm,
going to the bank using my documents. They didn't know that it will cost their life.
mhm,
Because in every verbiage that I have, in every word that I did, and every night that I labored, their punishment is not only from them, it is until the seventh generation
yeah.
if they will not come back. Now, they're trying to do something. The bloggers distorted the truth and let out Dato Adlaw and this lady who they give opportunity really to distort the truth. Do
Mhm,
you think it's them to be jailed alone? The media, all of those bloggers who contributed to mess out the truth, all of those trying to attack me, humiliate me, didn't know that they have humiliated the one who sent me.
mhm,
No, they say they control the air, the water, the fire, all of this. Nada. They
mhm,
should have realized who is Queen herself.
mhm,
Yes, even those family that I had, they never fathom that person in me because they have not really understand the depthness of who is the soul, the spirit, and the material being of the queen.
mhm,
It's the same to you. It's the same to Princess Maya. All of this, they have belittled the person
mhm,
that is being used by the Creator, by the elders. That's one thing I said to them. Okay, attack me. I love it because from there I could decide of who you are.
mhm,
This is already the cleansing. This is already the wiping of all the evil
mhm,
people. These things, it is not only Thailand, it's not only Myanmar, it's not only China, it's not only Japan, it's not only California, it's not only Middle East. It is the global impact because my mission in my roadmap is the resolution of the global finance, the resolution of the global climate change, the resolution of the global health crisis. These three becomes intertwined because this has been used by
mhm,
the wealthy family and the cabals, the Illuminati, the ISIS, all of these people. And now they are questioning why I am using the triangle. Excuse me, that belongs to me. They have used it, but now I am recovering. That's why I told them I am recoverer.
mhm,
I recover what belongs to God, what belongs to Allah, what belongs to the Buddha, whatever the names given to him. You see, in Thailand, they knew that there is a power beyond their contestation. They have refuted me. They have contested in me. They have even made me the laughing stock. But I said to them, make my day, because one day you will realize, even if you will accuse me, didn't know what they hold belongs to one bucket, and that is the divine asset, the divine wealth. This fiat money, nothing. They print and print.
Mhm.
But the asset of God, do we need to print? No. We can just erase them. We
Mhm.
can just get them. Now, that's the word. They are trying to get my word. And how they distort. That's why bloggers are also intelligent fool,
Mhm.
because they can refute, they can dispute, but they didn't know it will cost their lives. That
Mhm.
is now the question of the superpowers that has been recovered from all those superpowers that has been loaned to them. They knew that. They
Right.
thought I am just like them. You see, Princess Radha? That's why I was telling your mom, they are just jealous
Mhm.
because I have a multiplex. Sometimes when they interview me, I have a very big, fat, flat nose. Sometimes I have a very good nose. Sometimes I am changing. Now, when I have this kind of revelation, they will say, ah, that is, black magic. I said, okay, you understand black magic, but the white magic, you didn't realize it.
Mhm.
That's why I am so glad now. Philippines, in the history of the volcanic fault from Mount Mayon down to Taal, down to uh, Pinatubo, there is what you call the Mount Caldera in the Undersea. That volcanic fault will go up to Metro Manila, and this is the one that will cost the terrible mess, the terrible danger,
Mm.
because it will be more than Thailand, more than Myanmar. I am giving you the reality, and you with giftedness, and you with the mind to forecast. I am not telling lie. I am not going to give you the warning if I am not sure of it.
Mhm.
It's not only Manila, it's not only Luzon, it's not only Visayas, it's not only Mindanao. You will be shaken so that the good will come out and the bad will be wiped out into this earth.
Mm. Wow.
That is divine justice. 15 years, 16 years now.
Mhm.
Every day, every night. No more tears because I have already stopped praying, intervening for you.
Mhm.
All ended already. It's more of your responsibility as the creation of God. If you believe in God, if you will adhere to my call, return to Him and be humble. Accept your crime, accept your sin, accept your lowliness, accept that you are a being filled with dark forces. You have still chance to go back to the right path. That's all I wanted to say,
Yes.
because I cannot stop anymore. The
Mhm.
8 elements, that is the armaments of the divinity. Earth is nothing. We have so many galactic area to transfer with. Elon Musk is already in the Mars, and some others in other planet.
Yeah.
So, if you really would like this Earth to continue living for the humans, this is a global calling now. Laugh no more.
Mhm.
Go inside your soul, your spirit. You have still chance to live.
Mm. That's beautiful. It is a very important message. Very important. And I got that download too, that it's really time for those that they've been evading, running, laughing. They think it's just a joke because they've been able to get away for so long. But we're now in the time of like karma, and you can't see, they think they could just transfer their bad karma. Not anymore. That stops. You know what I mean? The siphoning, the destiny swapping, it's all come to a massive halt. And that's something I've realized, which is very positive because so many innocent people have been, suffering needlessly because they're taking, they've had to like take on the karma that didn't belong to them. And
Yes,
yeah.
true, 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 Princess Radha. Because there are sickness being made
Hmm.
by humans,
Yeah.
by elements, by their crimes, by their as a person themselves.
Yeah.
So those are the sickness. And the divine sickness that they have failed to discover the inner chamber of the heart,
Yeah.
which is supposedly where God lives. But they failed that. What they see only is they have even to spat in the name of God. And they even question the name of God or who is God
Mhm.
because these people are shallow. They are intellectuals. They are really, we call it intelligent people, but they are not because they never discovered that they are the person needed to be recovered
Hmm.
by
Yeah.
God.
Right. They're not connected to their soul, so they can't. You can't really be that in, you can be very book smart, but there's a difference between, emotional intelligence, divine intelligence. There's so much intelligence. It's not
Yes.
just intellectual. You have to also have the intelligence of your heart connected to God, to source. There's so much and it creates that expansion. Otherwise, it's just very rigid. It's very small, despite anything else, that they think power they think they have. It's all an illusion because in the end, it's there's an ending to this story. And it's better to be on the right side of things than to be fighting those who are trying to do the right thing and have the divine right, you know what I mean? The royalty, the right to do so. And so it's really heavy karma that they're activating within themselves that will be treacherous because that, like you said, 7 generations and then lifetime after lifetime after lifetime. And I think a lot of them think they can evade the lifetimes because of the technologies, They think they don't have to, but that's not the truth because when the ending comes, the ending is coming. There's no more outrunning. That was allowed for that time, but I see it's not allowed anymore. It's not allowed anymore. So times are changing and people need to get with the program.
Yes,
You know?
yes. This is now the impact, and they cannot stop it anymore. You
No.
cannot stop all this. This has been already destined. This has been worked out a long time ago. But I keep on asking the superpower there, the divine power. Give us chance. I know they will change, but I failed, and I was admonished. I was given my share of punishment to that. No, before I could save them, I have to save myself now. Why? Because for so many years I'd been crying for them, but not now. Not now. I have stopped intervening for them
Right.
because I have done my part. Now they will say how I am stingy to that kind of kindness. Well, even the words they spat, in every words they have given to the Facebook, it is written there is that all of these are being accounted for. And they forget that there is the divine computers thousandfold
Mm.
of the gigabytes that they have. They don't know that. So therefore I said to them, I let go. When I let go, no turning back.
Mhm.
That is my commitment now. Therefore, again, on the second premise, return to Him. All those people that say No worry. If we go to the hell, no worry. Didn't know that the hell is really true. The punishment of hell, purgatory. The question is, how long? Thousands years you will be there. What if they have no more chance to come back?
Yeah.
So therefore, their spirit will be forever and ever killed. So they cannot come back to earth anymore. They cannot be reincarnated anymore.
Yeah. That's real. There's a certain, if you keep pushing and there was already a no, 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 the soul has to go and be, deleted basically. And I think they don't think that's possible because they feel that they're so powerful. But they don't know the divine power when it has had enough. It has to delete the bad viruses in the souls because there's, if they cannot clean themselves and realign, because now we're moving in a different energy. They don't understand that there's a new energy, and if they do not go with this energy in divine order, that it will only hurt them. You know, it's a very dangerous game that these beings are playing. They don't understand the consequences. It doesn't even cross their mind because they think they're above it. They think they can just keep transferring from body to body or whatever, but that a lot of that's going to be energetically shut down. It ends.
Yes,
There's a hard, hard ending, and Don Pedro showed that, that there was going to be an end of a timeline. They think it's going on forever, ever, ever, but there's a hard ending and it goes into the black hole.
yes, yes. And black holes are opening now. That is the portal of Satan. Didn't know that. You don't know that. You can just imagine, as I have browsed the internet last night, that all the roads that are the one cracking, there are some elements in there. So they are also being monitored. Why Thailand? Why? Because they have not respected the being in itself. The transgender, all of their, so all of those, they have modified the creation. So those are the things that this divinity are trying to start with. Japan, all this technology that they play gods. They play gods. So therefore, again, on the third premise, they have no power against the power of the divinity.
Mhm. That's beautiful. I mean, it's beautiful to share that because it's important, even if some here, some will say, oh, you know, but it doesn't matter anymore because it has nothing to do at this point, it's beyond us. It has its own divine intelligence is coming in and a new system is coming in. I think to better understand it, it's literally like the old corroded matrix system is is starting to be eroding, and this new system of divine, of God source creator is coming in to replace it. So you have to be aligned to that. If not, you
Yes,
will not be in that existence.
yes,
No.
true, 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 Princess Rhoda. That is why they have sent all these elementals already. They
Mhm.
have they have given already a lot of signs. This is the signs of the times,
Yeah.
and they cannot stop it. So all of this, that's why you can see the movement in the sea. Now we have this. Um, I had been talking with volcanologists, so they knew that there are activities. They are just trying to block the truth. I said, why you have to block it? Because they will create chaos. Now you are creating chaos because of this past president. You are diverting this. What can you do if there is already the crisis? If all of this phenomenon already there with you, all of these calamities, what are you going to do if you will not forewarn the
Hmm.
people?
Yeah. People
It
have
has been
already.
documented scientifically that the volcanic fault includes Makati, includes BGC, includes Quezon City. All of this, the Metro Manila, is covered by water underneath. So why are you not telling the truth? Why are you not telling the people to go back to the provinces that they have, or else they will be the same?
Mm,
Because the earthquake is not anymore like this. It's not anymore like that. It is like this until finally that all of the buildings will be eaten by
mm,
waters.
mm.
It is going to happen now. You will laugh again to me, and you will have to use another being to contest what I am saying. I told 72 currencies. Now they use that lady that in 72 hours, they are trying to refute whatever I say what is true. They patronize the evil people because the funders are also them, from drugs, from illegal gun running, from illegal gambling. They patronize all of those.
Right.
And all of these bloggers, they enjoy attacking me. What they didn't know, their lives is being shortened because of the karma, because of the punishment of the divinity. Now, nothing to lose to me. They can chop me, attack me. But what about the beings that are guiding me? Can they chop it?
That's just the
Those are,
ego. The ego is attacking, but they don't understand. They see everybody that attacks, I found to be true even on this end that those that attack, they're paid attackers. They don't even know why they're doing it. They're just getting money. They're getting money, they're getting something, and they think that justifies this bad behavior. You cannot just attack the innocent because you're getting paid, because you feel any kind of way about it, because you're creating karma, and that karma is all karma is being activated now. So every single action is having an equal and opposite reaction, and it's coming really fast. There's not much time anymore of delay. And there's nothing they can do. Before, they used to say, "Oh, we're going to take our karma and dump it on this person." But that's ended too. So there's nowhere to go with this, right? There's nowhere to go. Everyone has to take accountability now for their
they
actions.
cannot,
That's it.
yes, they cannot go forward and no more backwards.
Yeah, no
They are
more.
stand stilling now. They cannot go right, they cannot go left. They are in the crossroad.
Mm,
Whatever they decide for now will cost their future.
mm. True.
Now, if they will continue patronizing the bad, then so be it. They will be part of the elimination of the divinity. When we say elimination, that means even their soul
Mhm. Yeah.
will be killed already forever. That's one thing they didn't realize in this mission. They have failed to see the real essence why I am doing this day and night. So how they laugh, how they have attacked, how they have really humiliated me is already written in the book of life in each person that they have. Now they were saying that Trump will have to implement the Nisara Gisara wrong. The 72 currencies, the one doing it is the royal family of Lupasug. Now, the Philippine monarchy, the Commonwealth, is the one in control. The World Court, the ICJ, the ICC, the United Nations, the Bank International Settlement, the IMF, they should know who is the boss. That's why, thank you. The boss CEO is Queen. It's not just the way I see it, but if they are strong enough, every head of state must go now to the United Nations Lupasug Empire, not the United Nations New York, nor any United Nations, because it is already surpassed. Because I have recovered all of this. Now, they say why I am still not showing that power. Wrong again. Why should I have to preempt you? Because you have been blocking me all sides. It's better to be silent and implement silently. Because if you will not listen, tornado, comes, they are the best weapon of the queen. They thought it's just like that. Now, if you are really handling all of this, that you can summon all of this, summon now. I challenge you. Summon, and you will see. Because this is not the showcase of who is powerful. It is the showcase of who is following the mandate of the divinity. Did you follow the mandate of the divinity as the mouthpiece of the divinity? Or you are just showing that because you are being paid
Yeah.
to distort the truth?
Yeah.
Truth and justice are the equilibrium to give you accountability. Now, all of those leaders, the head of states, they thought that once they have these documents, they can already maneuver who is Queen Helen. No, I always have my reserved alas in me, or else I will never be given the crown of the universum magnum in the global earth. Now they are trying to deceive the small minded people, the uneducated, by showing, you know, how they block the media. They are all pay off people, they are under the payroll of the government because all of them, their heritage assets belonging to the royal family. If I were them, they have to find
Mhm.
who is who. But because they have their Helens, they have their mamais, they have their kings, they have their queens, they have also their elders, they have also their mangkukulams, they have also their black magic people. So be it. For me, go with all your heart because at the end of the tunnel, Queen is already there. That's one thing they didn't realize. Who is Queen? Now they would say nothing. Then what I hold is already manifesting. I told them a long time ago, if you don't want to be erased in the earth, in the face of the earth, comply what I need. They have not complied. Instead, they continue the gambling. They continue illegal gun running. They continue all the claimants. They support all of these king and coins. What happened? Until the final standoff that they have, support this Duterte. Now, I told them, if you want to be kings and queens, you have to be prepared because there is the leader of the band of all the royalties of the world, of the galactic realm, and of the Lemurians. Still they laugh. Now, what if they are already floating in the huge deluge? Can still they say, I am not telling the truth? Oh, no more. And it is going to happen no matter what. It is going to happen. The highest magnitude, the 12.2 that has been written, and it will be happening.
Mm. Wow. It's a shame that people have to go out of their way to try to, they're basically trying to replicate you. So for those that don't understand, the government basically set up another, they tried to create like a Queen Helen, and they tried to create their own fake, their own insider royal family so they could have access to the wealth. So,
Yes.
like I think maybe people don't understand that that the government is basically trying to create their own access to your accounts, and they're trying to like dress people up and be you, the king, everybody that's in your collective, because that way they can open the vaults because they're actually having some financial problems. Let's just talk a little bit about that because that's the real thing going on. It's a whole facade where they're acting like they're in control, but really they're in financial constraints and they're trying to steal your money, your royal abundance, and they're trying to use fakes and frauds to do that, right?
Princess Rada, that is what you call defiance. They have defied my order.
Mhm.
They have printed a lot of DNA documents.
Mhm.
They have used my identity.
Mhm.
They have maliciously attacked the name of Abdurrajak to the DFA, to the NBIs, to all the agencies, just to have this because they have mm, documented people to be them. And
Mhm.
I am become the faker.
Mhm.
But they cannot get this. Sorry to you. You cannot get this. You cannot get my palm, my plantar. That's one thing these people should realize.
Mhm.
That before even I was born, I have already my name in the divine asset. Now
Mhm.
laugh and laugh. They have even told that there is the queen in Sulu. These people, because of their little intelligence, and they are already covered by greed, by their suppression and oppression. They have oppressed me. They have suppressed me. They have been leading me. But they didn't know I let them lead me. So that once I have that huge money collected, put it in their account, I have the power to account even the bank, even the United Nations that they say, even the government that they say. And sorry, I told them no election. Where are you going to get the money? They printed the money, the polymer, which I told them I don't allow that. Now, whoever approves that will be killed by the divinity, not me, because we are already ruling as a divine government since 2020 when they start to retreat because Duterte declared the COVID. Okay? Like this, sometimes they will have to attack us because of this, but the cabals must know they are the number ones. I have listed already all of these people from the Ministry of Health of all nations. They have retired. No, they have been. They are still accountable. I was supposedly the collateral damage of that. What Duterte has done. Who declared martial law in
Mhm.
Mindanao and pulverized the entire Marawi? It was Duterte.
Mhm.
Now they say he is good. Wow, he is good. But he is still being given the time to rule under the mandate as a government given to them. But they did not honor since 2013. So he declared martial law in Mindanao and it was done in Russia. Do you think Vladimir Putin is not liable? They are superpowers. They say they are superpowers. They didn't know that I was just trying to find a way to validate their movement. Now they attack me. They suppress me. They have done a lot, but nothing was given to me. And I have that person done, and I am waiting for that documents that I have. They knew who they are. Now I had been to Iloilo, I had been to the different parts, finding the truth. And I have been finding all of those that I have recovered, properties that I have given already, and I am waiting for the United Nations of New York to come to Philippines. United Nations of Hades, they knew. Now they say, I am just a little minute being. Did he know that God is trying to guide this brain that I have? How I am going to do this implementation of the divinity if they will not honor the author?
Mhm.
Never mind me, but the one who sent me. And that is God Himself. That is Allah. That is Nini Buddha, whatever the name. Now they say, okay, now once the calamities, the supernatural realm is already there, they will realize that I am not telling the lie.
Mhm.
In every word that I say, it is accounted. I will not say things if I am not being mandated by them. And I was told to tell the whole world there is a supernatural calamities going to happen in the Philippines. Not only in the Philippines, in the entire Southeast Asia and the global earth. Because of the imbalance.
Right. Yeah.
Why do you think? The ozone layer is already hold already there. So what do you get in the oceans? There are so many islands to sink because there are new islands going to come out. Those that has been buried islands in the past. All of these earthlings that we have, the Atlantis, all of this, they thought it is just a methodology. It's not a myth. It is not. It is going to come out. That's why I am crazy as they accuse me, because they have not realized that the beings below are part and parcel of the combination of the human people.
Right.
Without them, who controls the oceans, do we have the global earth? None. What they see only the color of the money. Now the printed polymers, all animals. The one who approved that is an animal because they have not respected that in all the currency, it is the picture of the heroes, of the past presidents, or the royalty. Now the printed animals. So therefore, whoever you are who approved that, you have no authority to print. Now they paid congressmen, they have paid senators, they have paid all those governments to impeach Sarah with the money they have printed with no value. No value at all. Now dare me, because you are liable. Whoever you are, you have better to come now to the Imperial Sovereign Bank. They don't want me to be exposing this. But you see, God is already angry. Because I had been trying to make this, pleading to them. Not yet, not yet. But now no more. You know, in Filipino, we say that dumidipa, intervening, that God will not give the punishment. Now, who is really queen? That is the question that they are saying. Who is this queen that can stop the election? Because the media tried to block anything. Do you think they are not liable, all of them? Media people, all the print ads, all the newspapers, all of these licenses that you have. That's why the SEC now are in terrible mess. They are being questioned. They are being investigated here, abroad, whichever that give the juridical authority. When you say juridical authority, they can operate because the government gives this, approved by this. And do you think you are not liable? You will be in trouble because you give authority to the Pogo to operate. You give authority to Ayala to operate. You give authority to the appointees to operate. All of this, you give authority. Now you give me the reason why. I am also angry. They didn't know that I spent a lot of time in this. Now they say because this. That is not what I want. I want clarity. Because the Lord is already asking the proof, the physical proof, for me to ask from them, what is your reason to delay the punishment? Can you talk to God? Can you talk to these superpowers? No, you cannot. But Queen can. Princess Radha can. Your mom can. Because we have the access. We are the bloodline. Now they are saying Queen is really that crazy. I am the most craziest person in the world by now because I defend the divine power. So we become crazy. They thought that we are crazy because they are the right ones. They didn't know they are trying to give that they are right, but they are trying to be wrong.
Yeah, they're distorted, so they can only see from the perception of their distortion. So for them, the divine doesn't even exist. It doesn't even exist. And I think that's important to understand. They don't believe in the divine, so that how could they feel? They've been able to accomplish everything that they have based on what they consider the power of the dark or whatnot, right? So to them, that's their authority because that they've been able to use those powers, but they didn't understand that there was a time for that, and that time is now over. It's really serious. It's not just like a joke. It's really it's enacting right now. We're here at the eclipse, which means it's eclipsing it out. All that is not in alignment is being eclipsed out, and so the distortions will not they will not thrive. Before, distortions could thrive and all the inversions could thrive, but with the energies now, it cannot thrive. And I see what you're saying, Queen, like how, they've been pushing back and they're trying to make, dress people up as you. They're trying to fake it out. And it's obviously it's not going to work. And no, of course, that I think that that's something that's used often when an opponent, even with Jesus, they said, "Oh, he's crazy. We're going to kill him because he's talking this gibberish about God." But they're always saying that now, and then now they turn around and worship. But that's the thing. During the time of any event or any person, they're always going to be so many against it because most are in the distortion. So they can't recognize it. Their egos are angry, threatened, and they need to keep the power that they think that they have. But we know the truth, and the truth is there is no such thing. Because if it's not given by the authority of the creator, then it's not power. It's just pretend, and it's just withholding the inevitable. And
Correct.
so that's where we are. And but I really feel that there's so much light coming to earth, and it is causing havoc. It is causing because all the distortions are coming forward. That's why everything seems chaotic and out of control, but divine order is here. It's here now.
Yes. Yes. It is already here. It is being implemented after February 9. Didn't realize that that crowning of mine, they laugh at it. They have really attacked it and they have made a lot to distort the truth. They didn't know that I had been just asking a little time. The risk back is not me. The rest back is their family. Why? That is called accountability. Now, for all those people that I have given authority, given the power, please review because this is the time, not me anymore. There is already the government to give you that accountability, moral, spiritual, professional, all of this, divine accountability. It is already there. Do not anymore come to me. There is already the government. There is the prime minister. There is the president, not the government that you have. Because I have already restored the Commonwealth, the 1975. Now, are you going to refute, dispute? You have no money. All the divine assets in one bucket. Now, you have been printing illegally all the 72 currencies. Now, they say that it is Trump. President Trump is talking to us. You ask them. Now, if you people trying to support them, that you lack knowledge and you will be accounted for. You will be given punishment. That's why I am appealing to those people that I have been trying to give you. Now, do you think these people will save you if you are already in trouble? Does Trump know you? Does Duterte know you? Does Sara know you? And thank for supporting them. But there is justice. And this divine justice is not just what you think of. It will cost your life, especially when this tsunami comes. All of this is coming. The volcanic fault is already moving. The tremors is already here. They just don't realize it. That's why I am asking the the DOST, all of you, volcanologists, all of this, the communications, focus on the salvation of the people. Do not focus about any more of all those things
Mm.
because there is justice. Now they say all of this. Who am I anyway? I am just the mouthpiece of the divinity. If you believe me, okay. If you don't, much better. So that I will just say you, when that day comes, you know, for those people that I love, I will not turn my back anymore. I cannot because I have already agreed. I will not anymore plead for you unless you have to say for yourself that you want to live. Because the new chosen people will leave this earth, not you bad people. The time has come, and it is now.
Mm. Thank you, Queen, for your time. Thank you for sharing this very important message. And those who are not ready to hear the truth cannot and will not. Those that are not ready to see the truth cannot and will not. And that's perfectly okay. But it is a very important time in history, and it's time to reconsider the positions. If you're not in divine alignment, it's time to get in divine alignment. There's not really much time left. So, thank you so much,
Yes.
Queen, for your very beautiful message. Thank you for all that you do. You serve with all of your heart, and I can't imagine how hard it's been to have so many trying to impersonate you and trying to use your own records against you. But the truth will prevail and it will set us all free. So thank you so much. And thank you all for watching. Please share your support for the Queen right down below. Until next time, much love. Bye for now.
Bye.